FinTech made life faster, scammers made it fragile. Today, not the tech plumbing, the human damage. 6 life areas, 6 brutal risks, and real ways to stop them. If you use payments, you need this. We already exposed how scams are built. Now let's see what they smash. Homes, jobs, savings, heads, trust, and access to essentials. Household cash is first. Micro drains are the stealth hit. Tiny charges add up, bills bounce, rent missed. One weekend, one phishing link, and your emergency fund vaporizes. Per transaction, SMS plus app alerts. Low daily spend cards for everyday use. Auto freeze after X suspicious transactions. Payday is sacred. Fraudsters intercept payroll or trick employers into changing bank details. One changed account, one diverted salary, family suffers. Dual approval for payroll changes. Manager plus employee confirm. Separate payroll account with limited outward transfers. Long-term money is ruined by silent erosion. Auto converts to loans, sneaky deductions, subscription cascades. You don't notice until decades later. Gated withdrawal for retirement accounts, time delays, multi-auth, quarterly statements with anomaly highlight, auto flag change. X. Money loss isn't just numbers, it crushes sleep, confidence, relationships. Victims hide the shame and delay reporting. That silence helps criminals. Banks provide trauma-aware helplines, free temporary credit line for victims until cases resolve. Scams erode trust. When people stop using digital services, the poorest suffer first. Financial inclusion backslides. Transparent incident reports from banks, temporary remediation credits and public timelines for fixes. Identity theft can lock you out of essentials. Frozen accounts mean no electricity, no medicine, no school fees. That's where scams move from financial to life risk. Emergency tokens for essential payments. One-time tokens via branch. Alternate verification channels. Biometric in-person support fast track. These fixes above need tech support. Here are cross-cutting moves banks should default on for customers. Device binding, API scope limits, tokenization plus HSM, behavioral biometrics for high-risk transactions. Public health approach. Treat financial safety like vaccination. Small, repeated nudges beat single lectures. Do this. 1. Default safe settings. 2. Daily micro lessons. 3. Rewards for safe behavior. 4. Community reporting plus support. Six human habits that must change. Memorize them. Password managers on day 1, pause before clicking, treat OTP equals sign cash, split money across accounts, report immediately, always check contact authenticity. Now you, if you've experienced any of these, press A in comments. Seen mule recruitment? Press B. Want a free forensics checklist we can DM? Type force. We'll pick stories to analyze live. Share this with someone who thinks it won't happen to me. They're the ones who need it most. FinTech is powerful, so are fraudsters. Our job is to make the power safe. Subscribe for the full forensic series. Next episode, live dissection of a mule chain. Stay sharp.